Hi friends, today we are going to make aloo samosa. The ingredients that we require to make this recipe are all-purpose flour, baking soda. Add a pinch of baking soda to all-purpose flour. Now add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now add carom seeds. Take half a teaspoon of carom seeds and add it to all-purpose flour. Now add salt. Salt can be added as per one's taste. Add water and knead the dough properly with hand. The dough should be soft enough. Now you can see the dough is ready. Cover it with lid and let it rest for 20 minutes. Wash the potatoes and boil them in water till they are soft enough to mash. Now the ingredients to make stuffing are garam masala, chopped onions, salt, coriander, cumin, turmeric powder, red chili powder, mashed potatoes, and chaat masala is optional. In a pan, take some cooking oil, nearly 3 spoons. Now add cumin. Wait till the seeds splutter. Now add half cup of chopped onions. And saute them till they turn soft. It will take around 2 minutes. Now you can see the onions are turning soft. Now add coriander leaves and saute it for nearly a minute. Keep the flame low so the onions don't get burned. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and saute it till the raw smell goes. Now add mashed potatoes. Mix it properly so that the potatoes are evenly coated. Now add salt. Add salt according to one's taste. Now add red chili powder. Add garam masala and chaat masala powder. Mix it properly. Now the stuffing is ready. Now take a small portion of dough. Now by dipping it in all-purpose flour, roll it into a oval shape. Roll the dough to a very thin one. You want the samosas to be crunchy. If the dough is thick, the samosas are going to be saggy. Now you can see the oval shape is ready. Now cut the dough into 2 equal portions. Take one portion of dough and roll it into a samosa. First we will seal the edges with water. You have to apply the water to one side and seal the edge. Then you can see the pocket is formed. Now you have to fill it up with filling. Take 1 spoon of filling and fill it up. Now seal the edge with water by running your finger through it. Now close the samosa like this. Now you can see the beautiful samosa is ready. Now do the same thing again to another portion of dough that you kept. Repeat the same to make all the samosas till the stuffing is complete. Before making samosa, the filling has to be cooled down. Keep the edges of the dough very thin. Now you can see that making a samosa is very easy and you can make it at any time. You can have it as a snack like before tea, or can be made for guests. You can make it into a more spicy one or less spicy based upon your taste. Or if your kids want the samosa to be less spicy, you can reduce the spices. Now you can see the samosas are ready to be fried. Take a pan, add oil to it. After the oil is hot enough, slip one by one samosa in the oil. The flame should be medium enough. Fry all the samosas till they are golden brown in color. Now take the samosas in a serving plate. Serve the samosas hot with green chutney or tomato ketchup. Do try my recipe and please like and comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.